Let's make a long video with AI with easy steps. Click on Generate a Video button. Then as a template, select YouTube. Now I am copying an idea that I earlier created with ChatGPT, and pasting the idea to this AI prompt box. You can input any idea you want or whatever you want. Select script length as very long 1000 words, and finally, click on Generate Script button. Our video script is ready, review it. This video script is 5,000 plus characters long, and click on Continue button for next step and select Landscape 16:9 format for long YouTube video. And select Scene Pacing Fast and click on Generate Video button will start generating our AI video. As it is long video, it may take up to 30 seconds to generate full video. If my video helps you, please don't forget to give a like and also subscribe to my channel. Here our video is ready to export. Our video length is almost 6 minutes long. Let's see it.
Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, chances are you're either sipping your coffee, still in your pajamas, or maybe you're already on your way to work, trying to figure out how to make the most of your day. Let me tell you, the way you start your morning can completely change your life. I know. It sounds like one of those motivational quotes plastered on Instagram. But hear me out. Let's break down some morning habits that can set the tone for your entire day and, over time, your entire life. Trust me, these aren't just random tips. They're practical, relatable, and most importantly, they work. First up, let's talk about waking up earlier. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I love my sleep, and I get it. Sleep is precious, and we all need it. But waking up just 30 minutes earlier can give you those golden minutes to yourself, free from distractions. Imagine having that extra time to plan your day, to meditate, or even just to enjoy a quiet cup of tea before the chaos begins. It's like having a secret weapon against the stress that usually creeps in as soon as you step out of bed. You can ease into your day instead of diving in head first. Next, let's discuss hydration. I can't stress this enough. Drink water as soon as you wake up. Your body has been fasting all night, and it's thirsty. Hydrating first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins. It's refreshing, it wakes you up, and it's a simple habit that doesn't require any special skills. Just grab a glass of water, and you're already ahead of the game. Now, let's move on to movement. I'm not asking you to run a marathon or hit the gym for an hour. Just a few minutes of stretching or a quick yoga routine can do wonders. It gets your blood flowing, wakes up your muscles, and clears your mind. You don't need to be a yoga expert. Even a few simple stretches can help you feel more energized and focused. Plus, it's a great way to connect with your body and set a positive intention for the day. Speaking of intentions, let's dive into the power of gratitude. Take a moment each morning to reflect on what you're grateful for. It could be as simple as appreciating the warmth of your bed or the sunshine streaming through your window. This practice shifts your mindset from what's lacking in your life to what you already have. It's a game changer. You'll find that when you start your day with gratitude, you're more likely to approach challenges with a positive attitude. Now, let's talk about planning. I know it sounds boring, but hear me out. Taking just a few minutes to jot down your goals for the day can be incredibly beneficial. You could use a planner, a note on your phone, or even a good old-fashioned sticky note. Write down 3 things you want to accomplish and keep them in sight. This gives you direction and purpose. It's like creating a roadmap for your day, making it easier to navigate through distractions and stay focused on what truly matters. And let's not forget about breakfast. I can't tell you how many times I've skipped breakfast only to find myself grumpy and unfocused by mid-morning. Nourishing your body with a healthy breakfast fuels your brain and body for the day ahead. It doesn't have to be elaborate. Even a piece of fruit or a smoothie can make a world of difference. You're setting the tone for your day, and when you start with good nutrition, you're more likely to make healthier choices later on. Now, I want to touch on the importance of limiting screen time in the morning. I know it's tempting to scroll through social media or check your emails as soon as you wake up, but resist the urge. Those first moments of your day should be about you, not about what everyone else is doing. Instead, consider reading a book, listening to a podcast, or even just enjoying the silence. This small shift can help you start your day with clarity and intention rather than getting sucked into the digital vortex. Let's not forget the power of positive affirmations. I know it might feel a bit cheesy at first, but trust me, it works. Stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself something positive. It could be as simple as "I am capable" or "Today is going to be a great day." Affirmations help to rewire your brain, shifting your mindset from self-doubt to self-empowerment. It's about building that inner dialogue that encourages you to take on whatever challenges come your way. And finally, let's talk about connection. If you live with someone, take a moment to connect with them in the morning. Whether it's a simple good morning, a hug, or even sharing a few laughs over breakfast, those moments of connection can elevate your mood and strengthen your relationships. If you live alone, consider reaching out to a friend or family member with a quick text or call. Sharing positivity and love in the morning can create a ripple effect that lasts throughout the day. So to recap, wake up earlier, hydrate, move your body, practice gratitude, plan your day, eat a nourishing breakfast, limit your screen time, use positive affirmations, and connect with others. These habits might seem small, but when you stack them up over time, they can lead to significant changes in your life. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It's about consistency and making small adjustments that align with your goals and values. So, why not start today? Tomorrow morning, set that alarm a little earlier and give these habits a try. You might just surprise yourself with how much better you feel and how much more you can accomplish. Here's to transforming your mornings and ultimately your life.
This is longest AI video generator I found internet. Now you can export this video up to 4K and upload this videos to your YouTube channel. If you don't have YouTube channel, you can start your YouTube channel by using this AI. I recommend you to use this AI at least once in your life. For your better understanding about the capacity of this AI, I want to show you another template if you want to use Facebook video. I am doing the same process as before, but selected explainer video as template. You can select template as per your need. This way you can make unlimited AI videos for any social media. Best for motivational video generation. You can upload it to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, or wherever you want to take leverage from AI. Motivational video are making people tens of thousands of dollars a month, and the crazy thing is that you don't need to show your face. Here I am showing you how to create unlimited motivational YouTube shorts as well as YouTube long videos without any efforts and skill. And best part is everything will be automated with AI with just one click. Automated script writing, voiceover, subtitles, video clips, and final video. Everything is 100% automated. You don't need any video editing skills. This tool is 100% newbie friendly. Here's our video is ready. Let's see.
Self-doubt can be a formidable barrier, a shadow that looms over our aspirations and dreams. It whispers in.
You can change subtitle style through captions button. Select whatever you like most. You can also able to change AI voices from this available pre-made voices. Select any voice you want, then come back to editing panel and click Regenerate Voiceover button will automatically generate new voiceover to your video. You can also change any clip if you don't like. Click on the clip you want to change, then click on Regenerate button from right side will automatically add a new clip.
Self-doubt can be a formidable barrier, a shadow that looms over our aspirations and dreams. It whispers insidiously, convincing us that we are not good enough, that our efforts will never measure up, and that failure is imminent. But what if I told you that overcoming self-doubt is not just a possibility, but a journey that you can embark on today? The first step is recognizing that self-doubt is a common experience. Even the most accomplished individuals grapple with it. The key is to shift your perspective. Instead of viewing self-doubt as an enemy, consider it a signal, a prompt to evaluate your goals and motivations. Next, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend facing similar struggles. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment. This simple act can create a safe.
In this way, you can generate unlimited AI videos. You will export your video and upload it to YouTube and other social media. But, what is the best niche to utilize this tool? You can make motivational videos. According Keyword Tool, motivational keywords monthly search volume is very high, 465,407. Let's see some matching terms. Every single keywords related to motivational is also very high. That means there is lots of scope to work with motivational shorts and motivational videos. Though competition is high, but if we consistently work on it, we will able to beat the competition. Let's see some related keywords. I am showing you everything. Stay connected till end. Here is motivational video keywords monthly search volume is 1,871,041, which is pretty high. This is our AI tool where we will make our motivational video with single AI within seconds. You will find all necessary links in description. Click on that link and sign up with your Google account. This AI is truly awesome, you need not to think anything. Everything will be automated by AI. Script writing, voiceover, subtitle, background music, video clips, and final video. After sign up, you will redirect to this dashboard. To create your first video or shorts, click on Generate a Video button. Now choose a template as your requirement. You can select any template from this 25 types templates. This time I am selecting TikTok/Reel template. Now copying an idea from ChatGPT about motivational video. I earlier asked ChatGPT to give me 10 ideas about motivational video. And copy first idea from ChatGPT and paste that idea to this about your video box. Now select script length, short 150 words as I want to make short reel video. Then click on Generate Script button. AI will automatically generate short video script according our prompt. Now you can review the script before go to next step. This generated script have 831 characters long. Then you need to select AI narrator and finally click on Continue button. Now on Generate your video page, firstly select aspect ratio. For real video, select portrait 9:16 size. You have two more options too. Square and landscape. Now select scene pacing. I am selecting fast as I want to change video clips very fast. You can choose as per your requirement. Then finally, click on Generate Video button will start generating your AI videos. And within 10 to 15 seconds, your reel will be ready to export. If you think this way is difficult, I am giving you a solution. I will give 5,000 plus ready motivational copyright-free Reels Shorts bundle for you, which you will able to upload to any social media without any hesitation. You will also find the link in description. This will have 15 million plus digital products that are ready to resell, includes more than 5K motivational reels. Let's see in details and example reels that are included in this 15 million digital products, bundle only $3. You can upload those reels to any social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, etc.
Do I look unhealthy? Take a look at this physique. I'm in phenomenal shape in body and mind. To me, what's unhealthy is living an unhealthy life. To me, what's unhealthy is getting up and going through the same day every day of your life, 9 to 5, in an office or in a... You know, that's unhealthy. That beats your mind.
You can buy a house,
Yeah.
but not a home.
Yeah.
With money, you can buy a clock,
Yeah.
but not time.
Wow.
With money,
Wow.
you can buy a bed,
Yeah.
but not sleep.
Yeah.
With money, you can buy food, but not appetite. With money, you can buy a doctor, but not good health. With money, you can have insurance, but not safety. And this is the problem that we all have.
Yeah.
There are things that you cannot buy with material wealth, with money.
Let's see the reel generated by AI for us.
You know that feeling when you mess up? Like, really mess up? Yeah, we've all been there. You bomb that presentation, trip over your own feet, or maybe even spill coffee on your crush. But here's the secret. Every failure is just a stepping stone. Seriously, think about it. Every time you fall flat on your face, you're actually getting closer to success. It's like life's way of saying, hey, try again, but this time with a twist. Embrace those epic fails. They're not the end, they're just plot twists in your story. Remember that time you didn't get the job? That was just the universe redirecting you to something better. So the next time you stumble, laugh it off, learn from it, and keep moving. Because every setback is just a setup for a comeback. So go out there, fail spectacularly, and rise like the phoenix you are.
This was 53 seconds long reel. And this generation was truly outstanding. Now you can click on share button and export this video up to 4K resolution. In this way you can utilize this longest AI video generator. Hope my video helps you. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.